Hey there friends, it's Evelyn. I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience in the stock market. Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode comes straight from a restaurant near my place while I wait for my brunch. It's blazing hot out here in Dubai, so I decided to skip the studio today. But hey, I hope you don't mind this change of scenario. So let's get into it. You know, looking back on my 8 years in trading, it's been quite the journey. Trading has given me the freedom to do what I want, not just what needs to be done. It's been a real game changer. Coming from a humble background, I've really hustled my way up. And now, before hitting 30, I'm finally living the life on my own terms. But let me tell you, it hasn't exactly been easy. But here's the thing. I truly believe that anyone could achieve what I have, even if they're starting with just $10 in the pocket. It's all about taking action, not just sitting around wishing for things to change. So let's get to work and make things happen. For starters, go ahead and subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, I provide step-by-step guidance for anyone who wants to try their hand at trading and secure a steady income. Plus, I regularly live stream my trades and show you all my moves in real time. Simply follow along and copy my actions to get similar results. Just click the link in the description or the first pinned message to join in. Now, as the warm sun embraces me, let's kickstart another typical morning in the life of a trader. Let's get into it. So these are my standard settings. Investment amount $100, trade time frame 1 minute, candlestick time frame 30 seconds. I'm choosing 4 currency pairs: the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar and the US dollar, and finally the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. Today I will be focusing on the moving average indicator. It's the most popular indicator. In fact, it is built into many others like MACD, Bollinger Bands, Alligator, and others. So once you've got a hang of this one, you've pretty much cracked the code for understanding half the indicators out there. Now, don't get intimidated by the technical terms. I break down everything in simple language on my Telegram channel. You'll get the hang of it in no time. The link is in the video description and first pinned message. Today we're using the exponential moving average, EMA. So what does the moving average do? It smooths our price movements on the chart, highlighting the important ones. If candles are above the indicator line, that's an upward trend. If they are below, it's a downward trend. Alright, I'm done with settings. Now let's dive into our morning trading session. Grab your coffee and let's get started. Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. We're observing an overall upward movement, and the moving average agrees. We're looking for a small bearish rebound to enter the market. Let's click higher on this one. Beautiful, I've made $192 profit. Let's continue. Australian dollar and US dollar. After breaking through the support level with strong bearish momentum, we anticipate an upward rebound. That's why we're going for a rise. That's dangerous. But it isn't over just yet. Let's see. Okay, a bit of a nail biter, but the trade paid off. $368 in my deposit. Let's keep pushing forward. The Australian and the New Zealand dollar. Despite some channel swings, there's been a consistent downward trend with strong bullish impulses. Let's go ahead and invest in a downward movement. Fantastic! This is the result of great observation and strategic entry points. Let's keep going. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. Once again, the price has hit the resistance level, which is a signal to a potential rebound. So let's click lower. And don't forget, you've got the exclusive chance to trade with guidance of an experienced professional trader. Yours truly. It's a safe and free resource for all aspiring traders. Links are in the description and first comment. Another milestone reached $1,357. Gotta love trading. Back to the Canadian dollar and franc pair. This pair's bullish momentum is going strong, so I'm investing for further growth. Great, let's go for another one. The Australian dollar and US dollar pair is showing clear signs of bearish momentum. The price is dipping below the moving average line. I'm anticipating further decline. Let's hit lower. $3,197 in the bag. Not bad, Let's get more. Now, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar is due for a bullish comeback after a prolonged downward trend. I'm going all in on the uptick. The asset price rises, so does my profit. All right, let's see the Australian and the Canadian dollar pair. It's in a tricky spot. We'd normally expect an upward rebound here, but bearish candles are still dominating. I'm gonna stick with the downward trend. Meanwhile, we've reached an impressive $5,037. Fantastic! Canadian dollar and franc has slowed down and it's about to hit resistance, which means a potential decline. Let's invest for downtrend and click lower. Great, let's go for another one. All right, the Australian and the US dollar. Here the bearish candle wick is breaking through support, and that means further decline. Clicking lower. Well done, $6,877. That's a very good result. Loved today's sessions. Excellent trading, if I do say so myself. And the indicator came through. If you are eager to experience trading firsthand but hesitant about potential losses, I invite you to join my Telegram channel. There you can follow along and copy my trades without any risk. It's completely free and open to everyone. Find the link in the description below. Well, that's all for now. The sun's heating up and I'm feeling like taking a swim. Catch you later. Bye bye.